Hello everyone, back at it again, back at it with the one and only Dyan'van ribbing or quack. If you haven't subscribed, you do the right thing. Hit the subscribe button, fucking notification bell. It's a different day, a different video, and today we're listening to one of my favorites, South African musicians. He's on the up, dog. He's on the up. His name is Dusse, Wavy. He's been in a couple of songs with Ikwelas. So if you listen to South African hip hop, you probably know him, and he's a brilliant artist, man. So I thought, let me listen to this because he's not rapping. He's a rapper, but he's not rapping. So without wasting our time, let's go. Dusse Wavy with Usebenzile, which basically means, hey, you've worked, Dyan'van. You've put in the work, and you're reaping the fruits of your labor right now. So it's like a congratulations type of thing. But must be, I don't know. I don't know whose song is this. I don't know whose song he tried to sample. Yeah, with Emma, I'm begging it's like an old song, dog. Like old Tandi Somazwai type of vibe. Okay, I can see the bag he's digging in right now. His soulful bag, and I'm surprised, dog. Dusse Wavy is a rapper. He does have maybe a few songs similar to this, but nothing quite like this. This seems so emotional, so soulful. Not a young show on a Sunday, dog. Yeah, man, go home, soulful. Feels like home. Like, where ma. Oh! Ibaba. This is so nice, dog. My boy is like, where ma. Kapeki ngoma zakho. Usebenzile. I think he's literally saying what I said in the first line, what the word means, usebenzile. He's reaping the fruits of his labor right now. So it's like calling on his mom, like, mom, look, inkomo zam, I feel like it's wealth, what he has achieved. And usually when you had many cows back in the day, even now, it's a sign of wealth. So he might not have the money, but dog, I've came a long way. So you know what I mean? It's just basically telling us, dog, mama, jong, ka begging komazam. Then mom is like, usebenzile, yabo. Finally achieved
Ngikukhulele kade kumphethe isiuva uNkulunkulu ungisize uzoqhubekela phambili nje nawe naloku urepha kwakho. UNkulunkulu muhle mayekwazi ukuvusa mina ekuguleni okunje engahlulwa yini wena abe bengimfisa mntanami ukubona uphumelele. Bengimbona usathane futhi ingane yami ingayiboni iphumela, kodwa-ke uzophumelela. Ayikho into ezokuthiya, ayikho futhi into ezokuvimba.
Nothing keeps us moving, dog, like our parents' prayers. Nothing. I promise you, dog. Even if you're a believer or not, your mother's prayers, your mother's tears behind closed doors, dog, they will propel you to a different atmosphere, dog. God, dog. Fuck. Like when you achieve something and you get props from your friends, your acquaintances, maybe your girlfriend, it feels nice. Like getting it from your mom, dog, it means something different. You've made the only person that was there for you from the start happy, dog. Once your mom is happy about the stuff that you've achieved, you just feel like nothing can stop you right now. Like you literally feel like nothing can stop you. So, dog, this was Usebenzile by Wavy. Sounds like that song on a Saturday. It's fucking December, dog. Saturday, Kemche, uzipholele, khula box yakho. Yabo. The sun is hot. Maybe ushoti, fako phaka. Fake straw hair, dog. You're at the beach and you play this song. And all that New Year resolution, you've achieved all of them at the end of the year. You're like, fuck. This year I've actually put in the work. And it feels so nice. It feels so nice, though. Usebenzile. Let's go. That was Wavy with Usebenzile, dog. It's a very nice song. He doesn't say much. He doesn't need to say much. That's the thing with this type of song. He doesn't need to say much. He just gave us a beautiful piece of work that I can definitely say it's timeless, dog. Without waiting, I can say it's timeless. I promise you, listen to this 10 years from now, and you'll probably say the same, like, fuck, this is hard. Like a morning boner. Just kidding. See you in the next video.